Hello Facebook people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're going to talk about opportunity score and if you should follow these suggestions from Meta. Long story short, I do believe this is another way for Meta to make you spend more money or maybe impose the way that they want you to run ads and all of that for no reason in my opinion. But let's go into my PC. Let me show you two different ad accounts with bad opportunity scores. Let me tell you that they're working pretty well without these suggestions, and I will see you there. Hi guys, I would like to interrupt this video in order to talk to you about my new mentorship programs, and I would love if you go to the website. You're going to find the link in the description, or you can find it in the menu of my website, and over there you're going to be able to see the different mentorship programs that I have. You can find the one that is going to fit better your needs, and I will hope to see you there. Okay. We're in my PC and we're going to see two ad accounts with two different opportunity scores and all of that. Again, as everything in Meta, I believe that this is another way for Meta to gamify everything and make it look like it's another game that you actually have to follow in order for you to be profitable and make more money and stuff, while the ultimate goal of Meta is to make you spend more money with all of these things. Just so you know, for example, here we have 71. It doesn't hurt our results. We have very good results. But let's see what kind of things are they proposing, okay? So how you earn points and stuff, how to improve. Applying 8 recommendations can help you increase by 29 points that we're missing over here. So use additional text options for 4 ads, okay? So basically they say that we should use more copy. Okay, we will get 3 points if we do that. Potential outcome also, based on machine learning model, blah, blah, but it's not guaranteed as they always say, but 20% lower cost per result looks like intimidating. You know, you can come here, for example, and because you're going to believe in all of that, you might do changes to your campaigns that you're going to regret. If something is working, we don't touch it, no matter what Meta is going to say. Increase the value of your customer messages by 5 points when you respond quickly. So this is one recommendation. You could get more return on ad spend by maximizing the value of conversion. Because you set different values for conversion, use the maximized value of conversion. So use value optimization to your ads. This is going to give you 16 points alone. I think this is a valid thing because I have tested it and it's working. So maybe this is something that we could test. It's a clothing company, so basically people buying more t-shirts. Okay, you could get more return on ad spend with a sales campaign that maximizes the value of conversion. Again, 8% lower cost per result by optimizing your Reels format, including a full screen vertical video 9:16 with audio in your Reels can improve performance. Basically, what does it say here? It says that if you want to utilize the Reels placements, what you need to do is you need to have audio because the Reels is made for audio. And if you're not using audio, then it's not spending on the Reels. You could lower cost per quality lead, blah, blah, conversion API. We have API. I don't know why it says that. More conversion per dollar, including both videos and images in your campaign. I strongly disagree with this option because then the images wouldn't get any spend. But as you can see, it's only 1 point. Scale your high-performing ad sets and campaigns is just another point. I don't think that all of this makes 29. So 3, 4, 20, 21... 26, 27, 28, 29. Okay, so these are all the things. If you do all of that, you will get to opportunity score 100. I believe that if you do all of that, you will get to 100 opportunity score, but most likely you will have lower ROAS. There are some things that I agree with. For example, the one that's giving a lot of points over here, the maximum value. There's no harm for me to have a campaign with value optimization. Try to go for higher AOV orders. Don't forget that even from the video that we have done the test with value optimization, you need to have a good percentage, not a good percentage, a normal percentage, which is 20 or 30% of your campaigns with value optimization, not all of them. Okay. Also, if you already have a high ticket item, there's no point for you to do high value optimization. Try to get as many sales as you can for the one product that you are selling, which is high value. So high value has been tested by me also with funded meta tests and stuff, and I can tell you that it's something that for sure I'm going to test in future campaigns over here, because I think that Meta has a point over here. On the other thing, all the other things, the reel format, I get it. You can get more placement exposure to reels if you do it. So I don't disagree with this. API we already have, I don't know why it does. This one I disagree a lot. Scaling, I do scale when I see the opportunity to stuff. Respond more quickly, okay. And more text to things. In general, they are not bad suggestions. I just disagree with the point of doing them now to my existing campaigns. I would prefer to do them in future campaigns and stuff, except from some things that they get small points. Other than that, I think that these are things that I could follow. Let's go in another ad account to see. So here we have even worse result over here. Let's see what's the problem. We have very good results, as you can see, 5.7 ROAS, 16K spent. I don't know. Let's see. So this is the point where I disagree. It says apply now. As you can see, doing all of this kind of stuff, it's going to ruin your account. So, and some people are going to believe it, and they say that I'm having 50 opportunity score. I just don't believe in touching things that are working. In this account, these things are working. Let's see what it's proposing, but for sure, don't come here and press the apply now and stuff. Maybe use it as suggestions for future campaigns. With visual touch-ups, text improvement, and ad overlays, you can deliver different creative variations on your ads, and we predict it would help improve performance. So basically, they want me to use Advantage Plus settings to my ads, which is with the help of AI is going to change my creatives. I'm not going to do that. I have seen crazy stuff happening when you do so. So this is something that I'm not going to do. Use additional text options for 3 ads, okay? More text options. Combine the similar assets impacted by fragmentation. 40 points alone for consolidation. It's not like I'm running many campaigns over here, but they wanna combine all of this. 10 of your ads have similar setups and audiences, but different creatives. That's the whole point, that we're doing broad targeting with ASC, and we are targeting people with different products. So why we should go and we should mix them in one campaign just so that the ASC is going to spend in just one product? We have different products. I don't see why. So this makes me think that these are things that are coming from a machine which has parameters inside and says do this and this and this, and they don't understand the difference of its company. Okay, I'm not selling the same product over here, I'm selling different products. If I would be able to have a different campaign for my different products, that's amazing. I will do it because I will be able to know numbers for each one of my products, how much am I going to order in my next batch and everything, okay, and how much I can scale each one of them. 8% lower by optimizing for reels, we discussed that. Advantage Plus catalog, I don't disagree with this option. We could run an Advantage Plus catalog and see what kind of results we could get. But for sure, as I said, we do focus more on products, on campaign and product, because these are different products. But 40 points alone to just do consolidation to one campaign, I think that this would be the killing of the ad account. Don't trust these changes and start applying them, because most likely they're going to hurt you, but just try to see them as a suggestion thing for things that you can do into your ad account in the future. Maybe it has some good ideas like the reels, or using more text, or trying value optimization to get more high AOV orders. I get it, but not by applying and ruining my existing campaigns and the balance that I have in my account working well and all of that. I will see you for the closing of the video. Don't forget that Meta is not a non-profit organization and they actually want to make money. So they're going to propose you things so that you can spend more, or whatever the reason is, or because they want to train an algorithm like the AI enhancements, for example, for the creatives. They want more people to use it to train the AI with your own money, to get more data, to understand how they're going to make it better, and all of this kind of stuff. Don't forget all of these things and just use the things that they have worked for you, or if you trust someone like me and you want to see if it's working across accounts, you can watch this videos, but only if they show you what is working for them across accounts and not just theory, because if people don't work on ad accounts, the only thing that they will have to say is what Meta is proposing and not what they see across ad accounts. Don't forget that if you want to learn more, you can check my book, my course, my website, my mentorship programs, where we're discussing all of these things and we are finding solutions for your ad account with all the other ad accounts that I'm managing and comparing what is going to work in yours. And you can see also below the testimonials from the people experienced it and completed the programs. And until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.